Welcome you all for this interactive session on cyber cafe security and management. Cyber crime is emerging as a serious threat across our nation. Worldwide governments, police departments, intelligence units have started to react. Initiatives to curb cross-border cyber threats are taking shape. The Indian police have already initiated special cyber crime cells across the country. Normally, one special cyber crime cell is a police station in Bangalore in CID branch. Technology ensures that everyone has access to the internet and computer and communication devices. Cyber cafes are the hotspots for cyber crime. With cyber cafes contributing to 40% of access point for internet usage in India, they have emerged as hotspots for cyber crimes. Terrorists prefer the anonymity of a cyber cafe to communicate with each other, and they have become a vulnerable sources for threat mails from terrorists. Over several years, there has been many cases in India where cyber cafes has been used in terror-generating communication by either terrorists or other accomplices. Several cyber crimes such as stealing of bank passwords, subsequent fraudulent withdrawal of money has happened through cyber cafes. And they have also been misused in sending obscene mails to harass people and in sending threat mails to VIPs. Evidently, cyber cafes are considered one of the key intermediaries within the IT domain that need to be regulated. It is almost impossible to make someone not to send a threat mail due to the very nature, the way internet and emailing works. But it's definitely possible to retain data about browsers. There is a need for capturing the browser details and his browsing habits to as much extent as possible. In this kind of scenario, the cafe owner's responsibility increases to make sure his cafe does not become a source to initiate a threat mail for any anti-social outcome. The Delhi High Court bomb blast mail was sent from a cyber cafe. The Jammu and Kashmir police have detained 5 people, including 2 students, in connection with the email sent in the name of the Harkat-ul-Jihadi Islami, claiming the responsibility for witness this blast in Delhi. After tracing the IP address, the NIA team alerted the J&K police, which finally traced the mail to Kishtwar town of Jammu sub-division. Sources said that the email was sent from a global cyber cafe at around 1 p.m. on Wednesday. The police immediately detained the owner of the cafe, Muhammad Aziz, his brother Khalid Aziz, and manager Ashwani Kumar. The particular computer has been sealed, the sources said, adding that the owners feigned ignorance about who actually sent the mail, since they do not keep a record of the visitors. 26/11 Mumbai terror attack email sent from a cyber cafe in Rajkot. Even after the dastardly 26/11 terrorist attack and several early instances where terrorists have made cyber cafes their communication centers to send confidential information about the country outside through, very few cyber cafes are able to monitor visitors and maintain visitor information comprehensively in a format that can be used by security agencies and the police whenever required. As we all know that 26/11 threat mail trail leads to Rajkot Cyber Cafe, in which the cafe owner was held. The threat mail was sent to a national Hindi TV channel in the name of Al Mujahideen from his cafe. The Mumbai police arrested the internet cafe owner, Mr. Magan Bhavan Patel, and his cyber cafe has 10 PCs, one of which was used to send the threat email. There has been an email threat to blow up BSc and NSC in Bombay, the source of which was traced to a cyber cafe in Lucknow in May 2009. Cops have also identified the cyber cafe from which an email sent by Indian Mujahideen terrorists to eliminate BJP leader LK Advani during his Shillong visit in 2008. Another 2008 act shows that an email sent on behalf of a terror group claiming responsibility for the Jaipur blast was traced to a cyber cafe in Sahibabad area of Ghaziabad. Situations like these demand a lot of responsibility from cafe owner to maintain records of their walk-in customers. Browsers to be responsible while providing the details and surfing. Government to put cyber crime police in place, technology-based companies to come up with innovative solutions that can be applied in cyber cafes to capture the details of walk-ins. Practical solution for addressing the national security issue. To provide an effective and practical solution for addressing this national security issue, IDEX Innovation, which is an internet media company committed to create a large differential offering for cyber cafes across the country, has taken a more constructive step towards regulating cyber crime. With the launch of Clink, cyber cafe managers for the internet cafes can now capture all relevant data of cafe users most easily in digital form. This includes customer name, login ID, gender, address, contact number, photo ID, email ID, ID card number, name of the cyber cafe where the user registration was done, time in and time out, name of the computer terminal access from the cafe, who was managing the cafe at that time, date and time of every visit of the user can all be maintained through this software. It can be availed by all the cyber cafe owners absolutely free of cost. Until now, most cyber cafe maintains cafe user information in physical register, which is not only inefficient information management but also difficult to retrieve when required. Moreover, some cafes are unable to insist on identity of proof of visitors. With the Clink cyber cafe management software, cafe user will be requested to register digitally before any access to a terminal or internet. The Clink cyber cafe manager software comes with a lot of features which will help cyber cafes in storing customer data as required by law enforcement agencies. All visitor data is digitally archived on Clink servers, which law enforcing agencies can use as and when it is required to track down suspects and culprits. This software is provided absolutely free of cost to all the cyber cafe owners across the country. Now, representatives of IDEC Innovation to take us through the detailed product presentation. So, the presentation ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. So, ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ presentation ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ, ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಈಗ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್